Because look, I thought you were supposed to go this way, but there's a road right here. What the fuck? Oh, there's no Wi-Fi there, so I'm cooked. But it'll be a nice day. I'll have to figure out what to do about all the videos and stuff tomorrow. I think it's up there. That's not sketchy at all. Holy shit. Wait, this turn. You must fix it for the drive. Oh my god. This is it. That's pretty crazy. I have to go even further. Maybe it is. I have no idea what's happening. Nope. Tell my mama I love her. Fuck it. This is a little bit insane. Over there. Which way is it now? I think I have to go this way. Maybe not. I'm telling you right now, I don't know what's happening. I'm just following this road. That way? No. Too far. Where's the road go? This isn't sketchy at all. We will get there eventually. Holy shit. Don't see a road. They're just as confused as I am.